How to adjust time size on iOS 26. So the first thing that you have to do is get to your lock screen. You can either simply lock your screen or simply scroll down from the top left, just like this. We'll get to the lock screen, and then from here, long press on the blank space, just like this. Then we can see the option of customize, tap on it. And after doing that here, you can see currently this is the time. And if you want to adjust the size of it here, all you need to do is drag this box from right this corner. All you need to do is drag it down. And here you can see we can adjust there however you want. This is the maximum size that you can go. I'm going to go with simply this one up to this. And you can adjust it however you want. When you're done with it, you can simply tap on done, just like this. And you can again tap on the wallpaper. And just like this, you can adjust a time size on your iOS 26. And that is it. I hope this video was helpful to you guys. If it was, please do not forget to hit that subscribe button and like our video. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next.